Hello, fellow seekers of inner peace and personal growth. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of Hooponopono. We'll explore the basics of this ancient Hawaiian practice and uncover its incredible benefits through real-life experiences. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's embark on this transformative journey together. Welcome to our channel, where we're all about sharing wisdom and techniques that can empower you to lead a more fulfilling and harmonious life. And today we have something truly special in store for you. Hooponopono, a practice rooted in love, forgiveness, and healing. So, what exactly is Hooponopono? At its core, it's a Hawaiian practice of reconciliation and forgiveness. It teaches us to take responsibility for our own experiences, emotions, and relationships, recognizing that we are co-creators of our reality. By letting go of blame and embracing love and forgiveness, we can initiate a positive transformation in our lives. But that's not all. Hooponopono holds incredible benefits for your overall well-being. It helps reduce stress, improves self-awareness, and enhances emotional healing. Think of it as hitting the reset button on your life, letting go of the past and starting fresh with a renewed sense of clarity. Now, you might be wondering, how do you practice Hooponopono in your own life? Well, it's easier than you think. You can start by repeating 4 powerful phrases. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. These words hold immense power and have the potential to shift your mindset and transform your relationships. So, whether you're seeking personal growth, healing, or improved relationships, Hooponopono is a practice worth exploring. Join the millions of individuals who have experienced its profound benefits and immerse yourself in this ancient Hawaiian tradition. Remember, the journey to embracing positivity in life starts with acknowledging and releasing negativity. Embrace the power of love and forgiveness as you choose the path of Hooponopono. Together, we can create a ripple of positivity and make the world a better place. That wraps up today's video, my amazing viewers. If you found this introduction to Hooponopono impactful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking topics that touch the depths of your soul. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and loved ones. Let's spread the word about the incredible benefits of Hooponopono and inspire others to embark on their own journey of healing and personal transformation.